Imagine this. It's a busy weeknight, your family's starving, and you're juggling multiple dishes to get dinner on the table. Sounds familiar, right? Now picture whipping up crispy wings, golden fries, roasted veggies, and juicy chicken, all at once, in a single appliance that doesn't hog your entire countertop. Enter this Ninja air fryer, 10 Quart DoubleStack XL 2-basket, SL401, a kitchen superhero that's redefining how we cook for crowds. This isn't just another air fryer, it's a space-saving, time-saving, flavor-packed revolution. Let's dive into why this sleek gray machine deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it solves real-world cooking chaos with ease. Why the Ninja DoubleStack XL stands out. The Ninja DoubleStack XL isn't your average air fryer. It's designed for families, entertainers, and anyone who loves delicious meals without the hassle. With its 10-quart capacity and innovative stacked basket design, it delivers the power of 2 air fryers in the footprint of 1. Whether you're feeding a hungry household of 8 or prepping for a game day feast, this appliance has you covered. Here's why it's turning heads. Space-saving genius. Traditional dual-basket air fryers are bulky, eating up precious counter real estate. The DoubleStack XL's vertical design is 40% slimmer, fitting neatly under cabinets while still packing a massive 10-quart punch. Perfect for small kitchens or clutter-free counters. Cook 4 foods at once. Thanks to DoubleStack air frying technology, you can prepare up to 4 dishes simultaneously, 2 in each 5-quart basket. Think crispy fries and tender salmon in one basket, roasted veggies and steak in the other. No more waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next. Smart Finish, match cook magic. The Smart Finish feature syncs cooking times so everything's ready at once, even if you're using different settings. Want to air fry wings at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit? Done. The Match Cook option copies settings across baskets for seamless full-capacity meals. Versatile 6-in-1 cooking. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate all in one machine. From crispy chicken to homemade jerky, this air fryer adapts to whatever you're craving. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe parts make post-meal cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. Real-world performance. Crispy, juicy, and fast. I put the Ninja DoubleStack XL through its paces, and let me tell you, it delivers. I tested it with a family-sized meal. Chicken wings, sweet potato fries, zucchini slices, and a whole 5-pound chicken. The results? Golden, crispy perfection across the board. The wings were crunchy outside, juicy inside, and the fries had that satisfying restaurant-style crunch. The chicken? Moist and flavorful with zero guesswork, thanks to the even heat distribution of Ninja's exclusive technology. What impressed me most was how intuitive it is. The control panel is user-friendly, with clear buttons for selecting modes, temperatures, and times. The stacked meal racks let me layer foods in each basket, maximizing space without sacrificing quality. I cooked everything in under 30 minutes, no preheating required, and the Smart Finish feature ensured every dish hit the table hot and ready. Who's this air fryer for? The Ninja DoubleStack XL is a dream for busy families who need quick, healthy meals for up to 8 people, small kitchen dwellers craving big capacity without the clutter, party hosts looking to impress with diverse, perfectly cooked dishes, health-conscious cooks who want crispy results with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. If you've ever struggled with limited counter space, staggered cooking times, or piles of dishes after a big meal, this air fryer solves those pain points and then some. It's like having a sous chef who never complains and always nails the timing. A few things to know. No product's perfect, so let's address the nitty-gritty. The DoubleStack XL is taller than traditional air fryers due to its stacked design, so measure your cabinet clearance. It's 15.14 inches high. Some users note slight uneven cooking near the back of the baskets, but a quick shake or flip halfway through fixes it. Lastly, it's a premium appliance, so expect a higher price tag than single basket models. But for the capacity and features, it's worth every penny. Why you'll love it. This air fryer isn't just about cooking, it's about reclaiming time and creativity in the kitchen. The Ninja DoubleStack XL lets you experiment with bold flavors, feed a crowd without stress, and keep your kitchen tidy. It's a game changer for anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals at home, minus the oil splatters and endless pans. Plus, its sleek gray finish adds a modern touch to any countertop. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.